Welcome back, children. So due to some technical problem, today I am taking class on notebook, but tomorrow onwards we'll take on the board only. Okay, so today we'll take two identities, only two identities. The first identity is a plus b whole cube. So the formula we can write in two ways. The first method I'll tell you, a cube plus b cube plus 3ab of a plus b. Yeah, we'll see once again. A cube plus b cube plus 3ab of a plus b. So what is the second method? Not second method, just I want to elaborate the formula. That means I want to make some more big. Okay, so now I'll write a cube plus b cube plus now look at here the 3ab multiplying the both terms, that is a and b, and they have a meet plus sign, correct? No. Now look at 3ab into a. Look at already a, we have one more a, so I can write 3a square b plus, because mid we have a plus sign, and now 3ab into b. So already we have a b, now one more b, so I can write 3ab square. So if you get confusion about this formula, better to you can use this formula only. Upper formula is too better. So I'll show one example for you. That's 102 whole cube. So 102 whole cube is nothing but I can write 100 plus 2 whole power 3. Simple. If you compare the answer, that means question with a formula. Look at a plus b, 100 plus 2. So here I'll write 100, a value is 100 and b value is 2. Now substitute in the formula, upper side, yes, a cube, that means I'll write 100 whole cube plus b cube, that is nothing but 2 power 3 plus 3ab, that means 3 into a into b. Yeah, 3 into a value 100, b value 2. In the bracket we have a plus b, that is nothing but 100 plus 2, 100 plus 2. Now what happened? 100 cube is nothing but we have a 2 zeros. Am I right? The pair of 2 zeros will repeat thrice, 3 times. That means 1 I'll write as it is, 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, correct? Plus 2 cube is nothing but 2 into 2 into 2. Look at 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Answer 8 plus. Look at 3 2s are 6, 6 into 100. Yeah, first answer we got it 600 into 102. Yeah, I'll write 2 zeros, 4 zeros, 6 zeros plus 8 as it is. Here we have a 2 zeros. No, I'll write 2 zeros as it is. Look at 6 2s are 12, 1 carry, 6 zeros are 0 plus 1, 1, 6. Correct? Better to add 8. Look at last digit is 0, so the 8 replace last place. Place 61208. Look at 5 digit, so 4 5. That means except 1 0, remaining all zeros replaced by this number. Am I right? So I can write answer 106128. Yeah, this is answer. What is the answer? For what it is answer? It is the answer of 102 whole cube. 102 whole cube. Correct? We'll go with one more problem. 12 cube. 12 cube nothing but I can write 10 plus 2 whole cube. So simple, here I'll write formula a plus b whole cube is nothing but a cube plus b cube plus 3ab of a plus b. Here a value I'll mention 10, b value I'll mention 2. Yes. Now I'll write 10 whole power 3 plus 2 whole power 3 and 3 into a value 10. No? Yeah, 10 into 2, and here we'll write 10 plus 2. A plus b value 10 plus 2. 10 cube, I told you already, 1 0 repeat 3 times, okay. So 1 0 0 0, 3 zeros, okay. And 2 power 3 we know 8 because 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Now look at 3 2s are 6, 6 10s are 60 into 12, correct. Now look at 1000 as it is, I'll write plus 8, and we know 12 6 are 72, 7 2 and a 0, 60, no. Next 1000 plus 720 plus 8, 728. Look at 3 digits, we have 3 zeros, correct. So now answer is 1728 because the 3 zeros replaced by 728, 3 digit number, correct. Yeah, now second formula. What is that? A minus B whole cube. Answer A cube minus B cube minus 3AB of A minus B. Yeah, this formula is too better. Or now write A cube as it is. A cube minus B cube. Okay, look at minus 3AB multiplying the both terms. Look at the first term. Minus 3AB into A. So I'll write a minus 3A square B. Now what happened? Look at B. It's not B. It's minus B. And 3AB also had minus. So minus into minus it will become plus. Correct? So 3AB square. 3AB square. It is also a formula. Now first problem we'll do. That is what we'll do? 98 whole cube. Simple. 100 minus 2 whole cube. Look at beta. There is a negative. Here also there is a negative. If you start comparison, A value 100, negative and negative same. B value there is 2. So simply I'll mention here. A value is 100 and B value is 2. What is the formula? A cube. Better to write down a formula. A cube minus B cube minus 3AB of A minus B. Now try to substitute the values. 100 whole cube minus 2 cube minus 3 into A value 100 beta and B value 2, and in the bracket we can write it as 100 minus 2. Now I said already 100 has a 2 zeros. The 2 zeros repeats twice. The set of 2 repeats twice. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 minus 2 cube means we know 8. Okay. Next 3 2s are 6 into 100. Answer 600 into, what is answer? 100 minus 2, 98. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. Okay, minus it as it is. Next look at beta. 2 zeros as it is, I'll mention. Correct. 6 8s are 48. So 4 carry. And 6 9s are 54 and 58. Look at these all negative numbers only. Better to you subtract from this one. It is a 5-digit number. Correct? No? And 3 7. It is a 7-digit number. Better write down here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Better write down this one also. 0, 0 as it is. 8, 8, 5. So 0 minus 0 up to here there is no issue. We should take borrow. Actually, we should need borrow here. But here number 0. Okay. So we can't take. And here also 0. We can't take. Actually the overall number is 10. So if you start taking from here, the 10 will become 9. Here we'll get 10. Again we'll take borrow, no? So it is also become 9 only. Again from here we'll take borrow, no? So it will become 9. At last it will become 10. So finally 10 minus 8 answer is 2. And 9 minus 8 answer is 1. And 9 minus 5 answer is 4. And overall answer 9. So this one. So I can write 941,200 minus 8. Just a simple imagine the last number is 200. From the 200 if you take out 8, the answer is 941,200. 941 and 192, correct?